well, we did it. Bella's at preschool now, and I'm a little emotional. Just a little bit. I didn't cry in the classroom. Also did not cry in the parking lot. But I had dropped off Biddy with Nana just so, I don't know, I just wanted my full attention to be able to be with Belle, dropping her off and everything today, and I just wasn't sure how it was all going to go, or if we needed to wait around, or what exactly was going to happen. No idea what to expect. So I was getting a little work done here, and it just kind of dawns on me how quiet it seems, and just knowing she's somewhere else doing I don't know what fun things, I'm sure, but it just keeps coming back into my head all of the time I spent thinking, gosh, this day is so far away, you know, preschool's miles away for this kid, and you know, time marches on and the day comes, and I'm so happy for her, because we took her into the room, and I mean, she was just, they put a little yellow necklace on her, and we were talking about before how like the color for her classroom is yellow, so there's little yellow tape and everything around is like following the yellow brick road. That really resonated with her. And she's gotten in the classroom, and she sat down at a table, starts talking to other kids, and it's just like, okay, bye mom, bye dad. And I'm so happy it went that way, and that was what made me leave with a smile on my face, and I'm so excited to pick her up and hear everything that she has to say about what happened today. But it's there's the most hilarious thing that I actually came across a couple days ago, and it says like parents with kids going for the first day of kindergarten, which, you know, preschool, same deal, and then all the other parents. It's so funny. So I'll be thinking of that today when I need a good laugh. But it's tough. It may just be a tougher transition for parent than child, because, gosh, she's going into a classroom full of future friends and buddies and fun things to do and great teachers. And I think she's going to adore the whole experience. But I just wanted to fill you in. That's what's going on today. So I'm going to start holding it together and just get a little work done before it's pickup time. What's up, vlog? I am getting ready for the local news team to come and interview me. I'm really excited, but this is kind of strange. You know, I used to work in the news and go to people and interview them for a living, and now they're interviewing me. But this makeup room had so much stuff everywhere, and now I feel it is clean enough to be presentable to welcome the local Southern Illinois audience into, so I feel good about that at least. This is Carolyn with News 3, and I'm going to give her my palettes. And I used to work there on the morning show, and Carolyn anchors the evening shows, and so she's been asking me a bunch of tough questions. Oh, there's another fire truck.
Bigger than that. I hope no lightning hits the flag. Yeah, those are good. This is the balloon gang here. They're working on balloons for the party. They've blown all of these up. They represent the balloon gang.
The balloon league.
It's the balloon guild.
The balloon guild. You can sit out. We've got lions and tigers and bears, oh my. The witches' hats. Everybody, I mean, just behold. These were all made by Pup. She hand cut the general shape and then decorated them all to be the key characters. Pup, how difficult was it?
Very.
Oh, no. How satisfying was it in the end?
Incredibly.
I made these scarecrow haystacks. These are just 3 ingredients, guys. They are butterscotch chips, peanut butter, and chow mein noodles.
Difficult.
No bake.
Difficult proof?
Difficult, no. Satisfying. Yes. Tornadoes, anyone? Yes. This would be sort of the focal point. We've got the happy birthday. I did the Emerald City out of glitter paper and just made little tubes and stapled the tubes so they would stay upright because the paper's really thick and heavy, so they keep their shape. Got some Skittles, of course. This little cupcake stand I got from Hobby Lobby, just so happens to look kind of like a rainbow. Those are those little Airheads rainbow sour things. Goldfish. Cute little tablecloth. I think came from Target. And
Good idea.
Toto. This party is falling a little ahead of Nookie's actual birthday, which is on September 21st, but it's always been fun to time it alongside the fair in town, which happens just kind of catty corner from where we live, and it just adds an extra festive feel. I mean, you feel like the carnival is coming to town every time you have a birthday, so that's kind of the cherry on top of any time we celebrate. Bless.
This is about the carnival.
Anyway, there's a carnival in town, so we are doing this little party. Of course, everything starts in my mind as a small idea. Funfetti cupcakes, boom, it's Wizard of Oz. But then, obviously, the concept festers in my mind for a while, and I've developed ideas involving animal crackers and Hershey's Kisses, frosting glued to Thin Mint type cookies and haystacks and all this stuff, and it's just, you can't not have fun with the Wizard of Oz concept. We're really excited for this. I think Nookie's going to absolutely love the decor and the treats and everything. Nookie!
Happy birthday.
Hey Nookie, I have something for you.
Toto.
Look, you can hold the basket just like Dorothy.
Alright. Don't be serious.
This is the yellow brick road. And there's the rainbow. And there's the Emerald City.
That's silly.
Please dig in. I've gotten all the pictures I need. Oh, thank you. Pippi's your real life Toto, no?
Oh, Nookie. What a special cookie. You can sort them out. There's turquoise.
There's Roomba rocks.
Even one matches my dress.
Yellow ones, all different kinds. I
That
thought
is
you would
such a
have
great
fun with
idea.
that. Aren't those pretty? It's turquoise. These could all be shapes like in my range.
What is that?
Thank you, Mary and Papa.
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Calico Critter house.
It's the Red Roof Country Home gift set.
Sure, positive.
Happy birthday to you. Meanwhile, in here, SIU is doing quite well against Ole Miss today. Can you even? Out of control. This is laugh cry reaction to setting up the Calico Critters
Right.
home, which everything is so cute, but we are majorly intimidated. The parts, there's like pieces of chalk. There was a piece of single piece of chalk that's like
Plastic piece of
smaller than my hangnail. A blender, maybe like a French press
I
coffee
don't know.
maker.
It's more than we have in our kitchen.
They seem so humble and meek, but yet they've got all this stuff. All these tiny, intricate accessories. I don't know what to make of this. I thought it was just a cute little dollhouse, but there's so much involved.
This is a gateway drug to more. To tinier.
And additional critters.
And furniture and accessories and supplies.
Yeah.
It's a slippery slope. They're sure cute though. Look at them. Hotel waiting room chairs. Couch.
I want to know if anybody knows a lot
I think
about...
this lights up. I think you're gonna need more batteries. Look at
little details and stuff. Is there like a hutch?
it's a hutch.
Oh.
I bet these open. You could like store your tiny pieces of chalk.
Ready for the party at the Calico Critters house!
You've got a whole living room set here, Nook. Look at that.
It's misting out, and we're hardcore, so me, Pup, and Nookie are going to the carnival just on a food mission.
Talk out of the side of her mouth. That's the way I'm talking in that video.
No! We just rewatched 3 Gifted Technicians, so that's what we're talking about, everybody.
Dad's got a real Dorothy look there with the little dog.
Dorothy!
Blue.
Dorothy!
We're
Dorothy!
not getting my dog.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog too. She bit her dog, eh? I'll get you, my pretty. What would you rate the party? What would you rate the party? Favorite snack and least favorite snack at the party?
I love the haystack because I'm big on peanut butter. I love the cupcakes, they were great. The
Funfetti.
little hot dogs,
Pigs in a blanket?
Yeah.
And your little dogs too.
love those. The sandwiches that you had.
The ham sandwiches.
That's Pup Lab. What was the worst part?
The worst part,
What part did you... Was there anything not up to par? Anything that didn't perform as well as you would have
everything
liked?
was very well thought.
Oh, I remember what you critiqued. The fact that I didn't have that punch chilling.
I would have had that in a slush mode by now. Slush. When it comes to dollars, I'm sure
The real Toto here side by side.
Do you think we can fit Pippi in the basket?
No.
Could we try?
Hey, which Toto do you like the best?
Toto A or Toto B?
Ooh, it's a hard choice.
Toto B is a bit more still,
Yeah, she's
but Toto A seems to have more personality.
green out of those if you knew how. Some of them.
We're enjoying the beautiful rocks that Pup gave Nookie, and those are real colors that nature created, you know? It's amazing the brightness of these different
as
ones.
much as you see white ones and gray ones.
I don't know that I've ever seen a rock that yellow.
And so smooth and shiny.
They will taste yummy. Mommy?
Yes, Biddy.
Because they're too crunchy.
They would be really crunchy.
I think that's jade.
So, yes, it is jade.
Oh, yes, it is, Jay.
Were you seeking confirmation on that, Pup?
Periwinkle.
We're gonna do the X.
I found
Purple.
I'm looking for a brown one.
Uh-huh.
Even that can slip out of your hand. Like
That's right. And this is really dark bluish green with black.
This one looks like it's a baby.
You want me to vlog or rescue you?